Hello everybody and welcome to the McCall's Kitchen. Things are getting really spooky here, as I'm sure you can see, and we're very excited for Halloween. That's why we've planned the most fun dessert that you can do today, and it's really simple. I'm sure you can do this at home. I'm gonna take you guys through everything that I have in front of me, and if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you do subscribe below and like this video if you want to see more just like it. We have Christmas right around the corner, and let's get started on our day today. Today we are making a cupcake pull-apart cake, and I know you guys have seen us make some of these before, but we're actually going to be making a skull today, and we're going to decorate it with all these pretty colors that you see here. So I've already got my cupcakes down here below. I've stuck them to the board with buttercream, but I left one to show you guys how easy it is. You just take a little bit of buttercream to the bottom and you stick it down, and that way your cupcakes won't move around once they're decorated. I've gone ahead and I've already colored my buttercream with the McCall's colors. We went in with lime green, yellow, pink, purple, and black. So these are the colors you're gonna see me using today, and then we're gonna decorate after with sprinkles, of course. But let's get started on our decoration. So we're gonna go in with our McCall's buttercream, and I'm going to be spreading this around with a spatula. Now that we've got our base ready to go, you can pop this into the fridge if you'd like to, but it's ready to work on it if you'd like to start. So we're gonna go in and start to decorate our skull. I've got some black buttercream here, and I've snipped the piping bag, and I'm gonna start by making the border. So we're gonna make a nice border along our cupcake cake. Now I'm gonna go in with some color. We're gonna spice this skull up with some vibrant tones. For our final decoration, I'm gonna go in and I'm actually gonna pipe some rosettes, and then we're gonna add some sprinkles. So I just took the leftover buttercream that I had and I put it into a different tip. Alright, and I'm all done. I absolutely loved how this turned out. The colors are so vibrant, a nice change from the typical purple, green, and orange that you see. We threw in some yellow and pink here, and we still use the classic black, but all the details really brought the skull to life, and I'm telling you, it is so easy to eat. All you gotta do is grab a cupcake off the side and pull it apart. That's why they're called pull-apart cakes, so you guys must try this for your next party or when you're attending a party. I promise you, you're gonna be the star guest of the night. We hope you guys enjoyed watching this video today. If you do try it at home, make sure you tag us at McCall's and at Fiorella Bake Shop, and we'll see you guys here back next week for another Halloween video, just in time for the spooky Halloween day. Bye guys.